In this video, we're gonna check if it is possible to install a GCam on Xiaomi 17. In order to check that, we can go to the Play Store and we can download an app that is called GCam. This is then the app that allows us to get the GCam, as long as, of course, it is available for the specific device, because usually every device has its own GCam version to make it fully compatible with the phone. Now in here, of course, we do not have to allow for the app to send us notifications. Over here we can see if the phone is compatible. And in this case, yes, it is compatible. So technically it is possible to install GCam, but right now, as I'm recording this video, there is no dedicated version for Xiaomi 17. So I'm gonna request a GCam and hopefully it's going to be added in the future. And if you are watching this video much later, you can of course check the app and see if there is already a dedicated version available for this phone. Now, since there is no dedicated version available, we can also go to GCam option here at the bottom, and we can search for other models or GCam versions that are made for other Xiaomi devices. For example, here straight away we can see some Xiaomi smartphones that we can try to use, but I'm gonna actually type Xiaomi over here, and then we should be able to search for the newest version. So if I tap on these arrows, then of course I can see the GCam version and the Android version. And of course we want to try to find the latest version possible, the newest one. So here we have like Android 12, GCam 9.7. There's another one over here. So of course we can try to use one of these. So let me quickly go through this list and let me see if there is anything that is worth checking out. Alright, so it seems that this one over here, the GCam 9.7 and Android 12 is the newest one, so I'm gonna start downloading this one. So we can tap on start download and you're going to be redirected to this website. We can also see for which model it is the version prepared for. And we're gonna actually download the APK file, which is prepared for Redmi Note 15 Pro in this case. Of course, there is a chance that because of this, the GCam app will not be compatible. So if that is the case, we can try another version, of course, but I'm just going to show you how to actually get this GCam after all. So once we download it, we're going to tap on these three dots and we can go to downloads, and in here, of course, we should be able to tap on the APK file in order to try to download it. But since we are trying to install an app that is not downloaded from the Play Store, we might have this information about the security. So we can tap on setting in order to allow the browser to install apps from unknown sources. You get this danger information, which pretty much says that you're trying to grant a sensitive permission, but if you are certain that you want to install the app anyway, you can tap on I'm aware of possible risks and press OK. Alright, so now we're gonna tap on install, and once it is installed, we're gonna open it. And like I said, since it is an app that is made for a different smartphone, we might have a couple of options that might not work at all. There might be some compatibility issues, and there are also some permissions that we need to grant. So we're gonna go to allow restricted settings. Let's see if that's gonna work. Let me reopen the app, and let's see. I think that is all. Okay, so now the camera preview seems to be working just fine. At least this is working correctly. I'm gonna switch to the front camera to see if it works, and yes, it does. We can also go to the night sight, for example. We can check the panorama. And let's also check the photosphere. And it seems to be working just fine, at least from the get-go of here, at first glance. And here we have also the portrait mode, which should work just fine as well. Alright, so I'm gonna also switch to the video mode. And the preview works. There is also the slow motion. Alright, so let's see if we can take a photo and if it's going to save. And it seems that yes. So it seems that this version is actually somewhat compatible. At least right now, I didn't notice any incompatibilities. So we should be able to use it quite easily. Although I'm pretty sure like some of the features might not be available. For example, I don't see any option to adjust the resolution of the photo. And let's go to the video mode and let's see. Here we have the Full HD and 4K resolution selected, but here it says 8K Ultra HD for some reason, so there's another thing that is definitely not showing correctly at least, but what is the true resolution we will have to find out in a second. So let's record a video. And it is supposed to be 4K 30 frames per second. And let's see if that's really the case. Can we open about? There we go. And yes, it is actually 4K. So just the information that is displayed over here seems to be incorrect. So as you can see, there can be some inconsistencies, there might be some slight issues, and of course you might find something that might not work at all. It is also possible that the app will completely crash and close at some point. So you have to, be aware of that, because this is an app that is, the version of the app is made for another smartphone. But it seems that yes, it is actually possible to install GCam on Xiaomi 17, and hopefully soon we can get a dedicated version for Xiaomi 17. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.